It's a very exciting future. I mean, the FAA is already talking about hundreds of thousands to potentially low millions of autonomous craft in the skies in the next couple of years. And while not all of them are capable of carrying, human passengers, yet many of them are delivering services which are incredibly relevant in urban contexts. And so as the number of such vehicles that can carry human passengers continues to increase now in the dozens of possible vehicles, many of these will succeed very quickly.
Going forward, as you want to move people longer distances or larger cargo longer distances, you need to fly higher. Well, as you fly higher, now you need to integrate with other existing air traffic. So it's a key unlock from our perspective to be able to manage airspace more effectively. And that kind of precipitated our investment in SkyGrid as a joint venture with Spark Cognition. Is we see the scale and scope of this problem exceeding the current capacities of the existing air traffic management systems. And AI is, frankly, from our view, the technology that offers great promise to be able to manage a system of said scale and scope once you start introducing more and more unmanned vehicles.
So urban air mobility, I think, is going to develop to give back everybody's most precious resource, which is essentially time. So you're going to see what I think are multimodal sort of transportation systems where you can take some ground transportation to a certain point, capture a vehicle that can fly over your congestion, get you to your workplace, get you to your kid's soccer game, or at least get you closer in a significant amount of time savings. There's a number of platforms that are being developed to try to bring that passenger journey to a reality. How do you do it safely? How do you do it efficiently? How do you do it in a manner that fits in with kind of the infrastructure that exists around the cities today? So it's going to be exciting.